Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So, for today's video, we're going to talk about our top five applications for Shopify. So, these are applications that you can download. These are all loyalty program apps on Shopify that you can install on your shops. So, first up, we have Yotpo Loyalty and Rewards. So just go to Shopify store and type in Yotpo Loyalty and Rewards. Now, what makes this application good is that it offers a more comprehensive loyalty and rewards programs. It has amazing features like points, rewards, and of course, referrals, which a lot of customers like. And apart from that is customers can earn and redeem points with their 20 out of the box campaigns, repeating drive or repeating purchases, increasing your engagement as well on your shop. They also provide loyalty and referral program analytics. And of course, this will then help you understand your customers' behavior, what makes them decide to buy your products. And at the same time, it helps you maintain a healthy relationship with your customers. Next up, we have Smile Loyalty. This is Smile Loyalty Rewards Program. So it provides a more of a user-friendly loyalty platform compared to that with Yotpo. It has various reward options and it is best known for its easy usage and customization. So for this one, it rewards customers also for their social activity on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and other actions. So, for example, like if your customers follows your account on Instagram, they will get this certain reward, etc., etc. So that is very helpful, especially if you're just starting out or if you're building out your brand from scratch. Next, you have Revo Loyalty and Rewards, loyalty programs and rewards. So with Revo, it focuses more on building retention through again customizable loyalty programs and of course referral features. So this one takes advantage of referral features. So for example, uh if a customer refers your store to another customer, then definitely they will be receiving certain discount points or loyalty reward points. And that would then boost engagement for your shop. And then for our fourth choice, it will go to Loyalty Lion. Loyalty Lion rewards and referral. So for Loyalty Lion rewards and referral, it offers reward programs that can drive customer engagement and at the same time referral programs. And of course, similar to Revo, it helps you in expanding your reach, your customers' reach, and it's customizable as well, which is a big plus. It provides loyalty points that can be used to secure second purchases or incentivize enrollment. So that is really good. And again, it boosts customer engagement with your application or with your store. So that is a big plus for your business. And then finally, for our fifth pick, we have GrowWave Loyalty and Wishlist. With GrowWave, it combines a loyalty program with a wishlist feature, something that the other programs or the other loyalty programs did not have or loyalty apps did not have. It allows customers to collect points and, of course, track their desired product. So here, usually you can see things like wish list on popular applications like Steam or Amazon, and these are usually helpful because it helps in boosting customer engagements, especially with one another. And at the same time, it helps boost, of course, your brand. It has also 24/7 technical support, dedicated CSM and AM world-class documentation. So that is a big plus for your application or for your store. And that's it. Hopefully you liked our top 5 picks for you. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And of course, follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.